Good morning, everyone. So today again I will teach you about CSV file, and as you know the CSV files are comma separated file. In my previous class I have taught you about how to read and write. There was some error in the program. Today I will correct that error also. So before that, write some definition here so that we'll go for the programming part. So next definition you write it here as here you write role of argument new line argument, role of new line in opening of CSV file, right? While opening CSV files in the open function, we can specify an additional we can specify an additional new line argument which is optional but important. As CSV file are text files, and while storing data, some type of transmission some types of while storing data some type of translation occurs, such as EOL, end of line character, as per the operating system we are working on. Different OS store, operating system stores EOL characters differently. I've shared the screen for you, and here I will write I'll write the symbols and meaning, and किस लैंग्वेज किस प्लेटफॉर्म पे और किस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में ये यूज होगा. So here I am writing symbol. In book also it is given symbol, meaning, and OS, operating system. So some symbol I am using here \r. \r का मतलब होता है carriage return, and operating system यूज होता है Macintosh. Okay. Then next is your \n. This is line feed, new line. ये यूज होता है यूनिक्स and then we have \r या \n. दोनों मतलब लिख देते हैं कैरेज रिटर्न, लाइन फीड और न्यू लाइन. लाइन फीड, न्यू लाइन, this is used for DOS या विंडोज OS, ठीक है, this way. So this character plays an important role. I will show you just now the result, then you will come to know. Write it one more line. The EOL of one operating system will not be treated as EOL on another operating system. To get rid of this problem, we can write new line equals to \r\n while reading a file, or simply we can write, अभी मैं करके दिखाता हूं प्रोग्राम में तब समझ में आ जाएगा. Simply we can write new line equals to single quotes, no space, null string. इसका मतलब हुआ null string, no space between, है ना, null string, इसके बीच में कोई स्पेस नहीं होनी चाहिए. दिस शुड नॉट बी. न्यू लाइन in while writing. while जब एक बार राइटिंग में कर देंगे तो फिर वो करने की जरूरत नहीं है न्यू लाइन वाली की. अब मैं करके आपको दिखाता हूं, ये नोट करके रखिएगा आप. अब ये जो प्रॉब्लम आई थी पिछले वाले में, ये इसी के कारण आई थी. अब मैं आपको पूरी कॉन्सेप्ट को समझा के फिर से एक बार प्रोग्रामिंग करके समझाता हूँ. Now try to get this concept. Okay, so we are going to make a program for you. File, see here I have already made a program. You can just check it. थोड़ा सा इसको और मॉडिफाई कर देते हैं. Import CSV def write web open rig CSV read n is equals to int input enter number of lines, enter number of records, number of data also you can write, and instead of that we can write n plus 1. RNO input, two things I am taking, I am writing in CSV file std. One is RNO, another is name, and then as it is a text file, so मैंने int लिखा नहीं है. लिखना चाहे तो आप लिख सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. rec dot write row. So now concept is, first we will open a file in W mode. पहला concept, दूसरा भी change भी करूंगा इसको. rec is equals to csv dot writer. This much I have already taught. n is equals to int input enter number of records. So जितने records आप चाहे enter करें, because you are going to write file. So loop executed 1 comma n plus 1, hopefully no problem. Asking you to enter roll number, asking you to enter. This RNO name is considered as one record. To write one record, we use the function write row with the object rec. Rec object is created when we write csv.writer. File name f. This is the file name. So rec.write row RNO name and close it. So it will Ask you to enter RNO name, right row, one record is written, then again ask roll number, then second record, and so on. While reading, just now I am removing this line. Try to get this concept. F is equals to open. थोड़ा सा मैं यहाँ पर और चेंज ये भी दिखाना चाहता हूँ ताकि आपको क्लियर हो जाए. Def read open rec is equal CSV dot reader F. तो रिकॉर्ड में सारे रिकॉर्ड रीड होके आ जाएंगे और एक एक करके रिकॉर्ड डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं. I have f dot close file close print I record is complete record is displayed. Then ch is equals to 1. Input enter your choice. Enter your choice. 1 to create, 2 to read and display. Read and display. ठीक. \n चाहे तो कर दें छोड़ो. Okay. Choice is equals to 1 right. Choice is equals to read. I will execute this program now. Run. Okay. थोड़ा सा हटाएं यार अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Okay. Run. So running. Enter your choice. 1 create, 2 read, 1. Enter number of records. Suppose I want to enter 2 records. Enter roll number 1. Sir Raza. Enter number 2. Sir Fabian. Enter your choice to read. Now see the record is read. 1 Sir Raza. Now some internal translation take place and that's why it is showing that code square bracket, then this again and then again one more empty records here. This is because of some internal translation takes place. So ये सारी problem है. To get rid of this problem, we will write it here after R a parameter end line, new line is equals to okay, new line is equals to backslash n या backslash r backslash n as you wish. You can write back carriage return भी लगा सकते हैं backslash r backslash n will also work. Now when you run this program, just see the effect. Okay, we have already created 2 records. See, focus on the output here. 2. Choice number 2 I am entering here. So see that empty record is removed here from here. So that's the use of. Up now, suppose you don't want to write it here, or you don't want to create that extra space which is occurring internal because of internal translation something. So you just write it here, new line. So while creating the file, it will just define null here so that no extra records or empty records will come. Run. Okay. So just focus here. 1. I am creating 1 again. 1 record I am taking only. Sir Raza. Oh. Leave it. फिर से करते हैं. Run. Choice number 1. 2 records. Number 1. Sir Raza. 2. Sir Fabian. Choice number 2. Now see, even in the display part, even in the read part, I have not given that backslash n, no empty record is coming. Hopefully this concept is clear. Please note down. You can write either new line here with the null record, null value, that is empty space, no space here, no empty even space, and then if you are not writing it here, then you have to write here as per the language. Suppose you are using Windows operating system, then you have to write here, comma, new line equals to backslash n, backslash r, or simply backslash n will also do. Got it? So next, I'm going to teach you here is much better way. अभी तो output आपका आ रहा है 1 Sarraza in this format. I just want to print here roll number, and then I will write it here I0. Then in next print name, and then I1. Now run this program. Run module. Choice number 2. See here, roll number 1, Sir Raza. Roll number 2, Sir Fabian. Enter your choice for exit. Hopefully no problem at all. Okay. So in your portion, I think I have completed everything. Just go through all this program, the concepts, and as per new syllabus, I have completed everything now. In my next class, now I will take out some sample paper and I will explain to you the sample papers. So in your this one is import CSV module. So we have already imported import CSV. Then open close file, read from CSV file, write into CSV file using CSV.reader and CSV.write row. So everything I have completed as per CBSE syllabus. If you have doubt, still I say you can ask me in my doubt classes which we have on Saturday. Attend classes regularly so that you will come to know and you can ask me doubts. And if you are not attending, that means it's your problem. We are teaching you everything here online. And as I told you about the project, remember last time I am telling you, few students have already got the project file and the program file. Please contact these students, Rakshita, Arshita, and this one, Pranjay, Harshit. Okay, they have got the file, program file and project file, how to make it. This I have already explained. The deadline, the last date is 20th December. You have to complete you have to make a project. Remember, this is the last time I'm giving you instruction. First, you have to make, for two files you have to make. One is the program file, another is the project file. Program files you have to make, you have to write at least 20 programs. And in that also, you have to make the text file, binary file, CSV file programs, which I have already given. So note down all this program, write it in your program file, and also you display the output. Output how to display, you can take the screenshot and display it, print it. So one side on page you have to write the program and the output, paste it, and right side you write what program you are writing, write program to write records in a CSV file, program to read records from a CSV file. तो ये दो प्रोग्राम है, इसको टू फाइल्स टू कर सकते. उसी तरह बाइनरी फाइल, टेक्स्ट फाइल प्रोग्राम्स and the list programs, and then I have taught you about functions, etc. Then connectivity programs you take. 11th program also you can take, but the good ones, good series one program you can take dictionary, you can take list programs, sorting programs you can take stack queues program. So all these programs, and for that also I have given some easy way to make it that I will not explain here because it's online. So you just take care that 20 programs has to be there, and you should have at least 5 programs which is having connectivity. Okay, that means 5 tables you have to display with the 5 commands each, or 3 tables, sorry, not 5 tables, 3 tables you take, and 3 tables have 5 commands of SQL and also the connectivity programs. how to add records, how to display records, how to create records, how to update records, how to delete records using connectivity, that is uh, Python interface program with MySQL. This is the file program concept, and the second one is which you have to make is a project file. Now in project file you have to first make a project, and the topic for the projects I have already given to many students. Library you can take result system, you can take banking system, you can take payroll system, salary of employees, you can take library management, you can take CD, DVD, pen drives management, whatever you make, okay. And billing system you can make. Maximum 3 students can join a project. All the 3 students will make separately files and program files and project files, and they have to submit it in a pen drive. The running program, आप कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट आप फाइल से भी प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं, आप CSV यूज करके बना सकते हैं, और बेटर है कि आप कनेक्टिविटी यूज करके प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाएं. ऑप्शंस बहुत सारे लेने हैं, जैसे कि हाउ टू क्रिएट अ डेटाबेस, हाउ टू लिस्ट, हाउ टू शो, हाउ टू अपडेट, हाउ टू डिलीट, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द रिजल्ट, हाउ टू मेक्स द बिल्स एक्सेट्रा. सो बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस करने पड़ेंगे आपको. कम से कम 8 to 10 ऑप्शंस तो होने ही चाहिए मिनिमम. और उसमें भी सब मेन्यू. सपोज यू आर सर्चिंग, देन सर्च बाय रोल नंबर, सर्च बाय नेम, सर्च बाय सम मोर फील्ड. Same way you are updating, to update what you are updating, what you are modifying. Okay, so this type of things you have to take in the project. Project has to be completed by 20th December with the program file and the project file. After that, don't tell me. I am explaining you here. If you want any help, please join my class and ask. Even in doubt class, you can ask me. Program files and project files, few students have already met me and they have taken the files, how to make it, how to make program file and project file. Still you people want to make, or you want to take the help in making files and project, you can meet me either on Saturday, or you decide a date and let me know. You will get the materials accordingly, and I will help you in making projects and making program files. Got it? Take care. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Bye.